the gold and on the silver. Blame it on the love I used to give you. Baby, you could never buy no better.
What's up, lovies? Welcome to my channel. I'm going to be doing a drip paint gel tutorial by starting off with the pink creamy cuticle remover to push back the cuticles and get all the dead skin off her nail plate.
I think we should do something crazy. Let's say fuck everyone and run away from the daily routine. You know what I mean? Telling everybody you're mine and I like it, and I really hope you don't mind. I can fight it, yeah. You know I cannot hide it.
Now I'm going in with the 180 grit file. I straighten out the side walls and round out the free edge to make a swivel shape, then buff out the surface to ensure the gel adheres better.
Spend the night with ya, spend my life with ya, alright. Alright, alright, alright. Yeah, you heard me right. I go everywhere you go. I go everywhere you go. Everywhere you go. Everywhere you go.
I'm going in with the finger paint gel polish soak off base coat to give the nails a nice smooth base.
Baby, while we're young, we should just have fun. We should just do whatever we want and tell everyone that we fell in love with each other, that we found the one in one another. Telling everybody you're mine and I like it, and I hope you really don't mind. I can fight it. You know I cannot hide it.
After curing the base coat for 60 seconds, she chose her background color as finger paint gel polish Prism Schism. I'm going to apply 2 coats of that and then cure for 60 seconds.
Baby, while we're young, I think we should do something crazy. Let's say fuck everyone and run away from the daily routine.
Some of the polish did get on her skin, so I'm taking the file and buffing the edges to make sure it doesn't lift.
And I like it, and I really hope you don't mind. I can fight it, yeah. You know I cannot hide it, and I get so excited that I finally decided on you. Cause it's been another perfect day with ya. I wanna lay with ya, spend the night with ya, spend my life with ya, alright. Alright, alright, alright.
So I'm going to go ahead and take a cotton pad full of rubbing alcohol and wipe off the tacky layer left over. So for the nail art, I'm using finger paint gel polish and black canvas, and I'm using one of the smallest drawing tools I have, and I'm just drawing a small dot anywhere on the nail and then dragging it up towards the cuticle. Once I'm happy with how it looks, I'm going to go ahead and line the cuticle with black polish and then kind of curve towards each strip to connect them all.
We should just have fun, we should just do whatever we want and tell everyone that we fell in love with each other, that we found the one in one another. Telling everybody you're mine and I like it, and I hope you really don't mind. I can fight it. You know I cannot hide it, and I get so excited that I finally decided on you. Spend another perfect day with ya. I wanna lay with ya, spend my life with ya, spend the night with ya, alright. excited that I finally decided on you. Cause it's been another perfect day with ya. I wanna lay with ya, spend the night with ya, spend my life with ya. Alright. Yeah, you heard me right. I go everywhere you go. I go everywhere you go. Everywhere you go.
So again, making that small dot and then dragging a line up from the dot, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take the line and round it out towards the other drip to kind of make it all cohesive and come together.
Baby, while we're young, we should just have fun. We should just do whatever we want and tell everyone that we fell in love with each other, that we found the one in one another. Telling everybody you're mine and I like it, and I hope you really don't mind. I can fight it. You know I cannot hide it, and I get so excited that I finally decided on you. It's been another perfect day with ya. I wanna lay with ya, spend my life.
I did end up going over the nailer again with the black polish just to make it more opaque, but I'm using a cotton pad full of rubbing alcohol to take off that tacky layer, and then I'm using my finger paints gel polish soak off top coat just to finalize everything.
Baby, while we're young, I think we should do something crazy. Let's say fuck everyone and run away from the daily routine. You know what I mean? Telling everybody you're mine.
Above the tacky layer, I'm using a cotton pad with ASP's cleansing spray. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and follow my social medias. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, you're a dime.